Let's make some smash burgers with this burger press. This is basically a burger press that is stainless steel, so it's naturally non-stick, but also if you put some parchment paper on there, I found that it keeps everything nice and clean. So I'm going to show you exactly what you should expect, maybe answer a few questions that you have about this. I'm not really using the best pan for this. You probably use one with a lower lip, but this is the only pan that I had clean right now for this example. So it does have a comfortable rubber grip as well that is separate from the actual stainless steel part, keep you away from the heat. Now you want to have a piping hot pan ready, and then let those actually brown a little bit on the bottom first, and then when you're ready, you can go ahead and use the burger press, press these down. And like I said, these are a little bit too close for comfort, but let's see what this one looks like here. Beautiful. A nice clean disconnect, nice and smashed, and I barely have to apply any pressure at all. Now you can do this on the grill or you can do this on a skillet like I'm doing here, and it is really easy to use. I love that it's stainless steel. I am someone that only does stainless steel cookware and everything as well, right? Really nice burger smash. I really like how it keeps everything nice and even, smashed to perfection, and I feel like I'm gonna run out of room in here, but let's go ahead and smash these two as well. So here's what it looks like without the parchment paper on it. It's just a stainless steel press. And in my opinion, this thing is awesome, guys. If you like smash burgers, if you like the fast food style flatter burger patties like this, then you're definitely gonna want a quick and easy smash press. And that's exactly what I find this one does for myself, my family. If I were to grab this for a gift for a loved one or myself, again, I would definitely grab it. It's weighted well, it feels really nice whenever I'm holding it, and it feels like a great addition to my kitchen. Looks great with all the stainless steel appliances and everything as well. So I need to get these flipped. Let's see what this looks like. I like a little bit of char on my smash burgers. Beautiful. Whenever you have a smash press like this, you get a beautiful char on those burgers. You can also use this for sausage. You can use it for pork and chicken and other things that you're doing as well. But obviously I find that it works best with beef and elk and other ground meats. You get a really nice even press. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Happy eating, happy cooking. See you guys in the next one.